In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Puzzle Rush on chess.com. We'll walk through where to find it, how to set it up, and what to expect once the clock starts, so you can jump in with confidence and have fun improving your tactics. First, open chess.com on the website or app and head to the Puzzles section. There, look for the mode called Puzzle Rush. This is the fast-paced tactical trainer where you try to solve as many puzzles as possible in a single run. Next, choose your time control. You can pick the 3-minute version for a high-intensity challenge, or the 5-minute version if you want a bit more time to think. Both modes follow the same rules. The extra 2 minutes simply give you more room to calculate without rushing every single position. Once you start, you'll see a series of tactical puzzles that get progressively harder. Early positions are typically straightforward checkmates or simple tactics like forks and pins. As you keep solving, the puzzles ramp up in difficulty, and you'll need to be more precise. A helpful approach is to begin each puzzle by checking the most forcing moves first: checks, captures, and immediate threats. Glance at the king's safety, loose pieces, and any tactical themes you recognize. Quick pattern recognition is your best friend here. Keep an eye on two things: the timer and your strike count. You're allowed 3 mistakes. Your 4th wrong answer ends the run immediately. That means accuracy is just as important as speed. If you're unsure, take a brief moment to verify your idea before committing. Random guessing can burn through your strikes faster than you think. On the other hand, don't overthink the early puzzles. Bank those quick points by solving them swiftly, then slow down a touch as the difficulty increases. Your goal is simple: solve as many puzzles as you can before the timer hits 0, or before you reach that 4th strike. Managing this balance is the heart of Puzzle Rush. Use your time wisely, and remember that clean, confident solutions usually beat frantic clicking. As you play more, you'll notice recurring themes: double attacks, back rank mates, skewers, and discovered attacks. The more you train your eyes to spot these patterns quickly, the higher your score will climb. Stay calm, breathe, and treat each puzzle as a fresh position. With consistent practice, you'll see your speed, accuracy, and tactical vision improve dramatically. That's all you need to get started. Dive into Puzzle Rush, choose your time, and see how far you can go.